Rolex is a very common street food in Uganda. It is very quick to prepare, very filling and loaded with veggies. You'll find about all the vendors selling this or making this delicious food. There are two key ingredients in this recipe. One is chapati, and chapati is a flat bread that is commonly found in East Africa, and you can pair the chapati with absolutely anything. And the next key ingredient is eggs, and I'm using both the free-range eggs and the commonly found eggs. To make the Ugandan Rolex, you're going to need a pan. So I'm going to start off by chopping my ingredients. So I have one small onion over here. I'm going to chop the onion in half and slice lengthwise. Place aside. Pick one large tomato, cut in half. Lay my tomato on one side and slice into medium strips, just like that. Turn the tomato around and slice again. Place that aside, and then next I'm going to slice my coriander. So I'm going to be adding 3 vegetables, that is tomatoes, onions, and coriander. And also, to make the recipe very authentic, I'm going to be using a cup because that is how it's done in Uganda. So I'm going to preheat a pan over medium-low flame. And as the pan is heating, I'm going to be cracking 2 eggs for 1 chapati in my cup. Add in a pinch of salt, some onions, tomatoes, and a little bit of coriander. Using a spoon, I'm going to mix everything together. And after mixing, this is how the egg mixture is looking like. Once done mixing, to my pan, I'm going to add in around 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil. If you're using a non-stick pan, add in about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Spread the oil around. Pour in my egg mixture into the pan. I'm going to let the egg cook for around 30 seconds to 1 minute. Next, I'm going to place my chapati on top. Look at that. Then I'm going to wait for around 30 seconds before flipping. It's time to flip. So I'm going to pick my spatula and spin around in the pan. Make sure the egg is not stuck in the bottom of the pan. Flip. Oh, gorgeous. Just look at that. After 30 seconds, I'm going to transfer to a plate. Just look at my Rolex, and then next I'm going to roll my Rolex just like that. I'm going to be making another Rolex, so I'm going to transfer the egg to my cast iron pan, just like that, and wait for around 30 seconds to 1 minute as the egg cooks. Next, I'm going to place in my chapati. Press down a little bit using the palm of your hands, just like that. Then using my spatula, I'm going to go around once more, just like that. I love the golden brown color on my egg. That is going to add a lot of flavor also to the Rolex. Give the Rolex about 30 more seconds so that the egg can fully cook on the bottom side. Transfer to my chopping board. Fold the Rolex just like this. And then I'm going to use a knife and cut in half. Just look at that. The Rolex is looking very delicious. Once you cut through the Rolex, you'll notice that there's very vibrant colors. You have green from the coriander, red from the tomato, and also there's a very lovely yellow color from the eggs. My Rolex is also cooked through, and the aroma in the kitchen now is just spot on. I love how easy the Ugandan Rolex is easy to prepare with minimal ingredients, and the outcome is just mouth watering.